In 2024, this demand is going on for many years, but due to some politicians, neither the Delhi government nor the central government of India listens to it. This is Mithila. 22 districts together, that is, the language and culture spoken there is the same way of living. It is spoken in 220 districts in some areas of Jharkhand and almost in Nepal. Mithila. There was no development here since the beginning. Since the time democracy and digital came into existence, no development took place. The government came but no one did anything. Patna. Talk about Bihar, Lalu and Nitish. He was earlier known by the name of Magadh, and this Bihar which was formed, before that Mithila, and when he was known by the name of Magadh. Then tell the name of Bihar that Magadh. This is how the political situation of Patna, Bihar is. Lalu and Nitish formed Mahagathbandhan 10 times, but the affair was turned around, and when some singers from Patna, Bihar and nearby areas became popular, then he campaigned for them and got good cream with them. He also campaigned on other sides, got fur for his opposition team. After that the fur was turned around where Lalu had it. He went to them and campaigned and sang another song and got fur. After that he went to neighboring state Uttar Pradesh and campaigned with Akhilesh Yadav, and after that he got cream. Fur was with him when Yogi Adityanath i.e. BJP was there, then he would have campaigned for him. The series of promoting and singing songs together and eating cream is continuing, and because of all this, all the incidents that happened during the heat of Bihar. If I tell you this video will become very long, for after that in IPL 2020 cricket Super Lucknow joined. You are supporting them while living in Bihar, and while living in Bihar you are also becoming leaders in Uttar Pradesh just because of your language, because Bhojpuri is spoken at many places in Bihar, and only in some lakhs of places in Uttar Pradesh. The reason for this is that because of the communication and setting between these two, all this happens, sometimes a leader's controversial statement and sometimes the singer's reverse song. Now BJP 2024 elections, and BJP leader sometime in this photo, while giving his rally speech, I got to hear the slogan of Manipur go back to Gujarat, and I got to see and talk about Bhojpuri community. Bhojpuri also votes go back Amit Shah, Narendra Modi and Congress from anywhere, from Mumbai, Delhi also, only Modi and Congress also got to hear the slogan of go back, in Kolkata. Many people from Bihar and other states are living in Kolkata, or there are many Biharis in TMC, and from all these areas, there are MLA leaders and MPs here too, of Bhojpuri community. So now neither TMC has joined hands with Congress nor with the small political party groups of Congress, because now it will fight the election alone. So this election is of the Prime Minister, and Prime Minister means that you have to decide the future of entire India. This has to be made in such a way that Mamata Banerjee's vote bank is only in West Bengal. If not, then Mamata Banerjee would have organized a rally outside TMC West Bengal. I have thought about it. Now the thing is that if people from other states are living here, i.e. Kolkata, then the elections here will become useless, and anyway, however much RJD support there was in the shadow of TMC, and here TMC was saving itself between the shadow of RJD. Now our development of Mithila is going on. Today Mithila's path is on when everyone takes the power of their own state with their own language and shouts the slogan Congress or Modi go back, and everyone is talking in their own language in their own state of community, more income, better future and more economic development in their own state, become more powerful in your own area. Is your state a friendly state? How wrong is this demand, or is it right? The whole world and the entire state and the Delhi government must be watching. You will get to tell the comments. You can see the other side effect information in another video.